everyone, Isaac here from Isaac Minecraft, and today Rainy will be jumping off this edge, so go ahead.
Did you hit me?
No.
Okay.
You must stand on the edge, and you have to stand on the edge quietly, and then you have to do the battle. I'll do the battle cry.
I did it.
Did you just see that? Did you just see that?
Can I have my stuff back? Put me some more stuff in the chest.
Okay.
Have 54 pairs of elytra wings in there.
To make you feel a little better, you little cat.
Look at how many times you've died. Versus my one.
Yeah, I'm the one providing you stuff. I can smack you with a diamond sword.
Just put elytra wings in there. That's all I need. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Wait.
You stink at this. She just hit a tree. She just hit a tree.
I need some more elytra wings.
Well, when you die this time, more Elytra's wings will be in there.
I need more.
And your armor is also in there, lady.
I just need elytra wings.
I never said you could go. Okay. Now,
Ready.
don't go let. Put them on.
Oh.
Now. Go!
Isaac. Stupid boy. Isaac, no.
Sorry, I wasn't even trying to slay you. FYI.
I couldn't even hit you off. Please no. Isaac, no. Isaac.
It's your fault.
I won't ever try to hit you again. Just put my elytra in there. I didn't even have the bit stuck in this up.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I ain't doing this again.
Your Elytra is going in.
Really?
Elytra's wings are in. Hello, friend.
You should just keep restocking it.
I will.
Because I can't do it if you don't.
I'm trying to fish you up. Sorry, forgot to put another pair in there.
Where's my elytra?
I was trying to catch you on a fishing pole and it's put you super high in the air.
And then
somehow-
drop me.
Yes.
Can I have a water bucket too?
Why?
Because I need one.
Tell me why. There's your Elytra's wings. Put the armor on this time.
I can't put the chest plate on.
I will hit you with a brick if you don't listen.
I can't put the chest plate on though. The elytra wings are on.
Listen.
Isaac.
Might have put some Elytra's wings on. This is a bad place to spawn.
Isaac.
And this time you will be attacked by a zombie if you do bad.
Isaac, I can't. I have no elytra wings.
Isn't there Elytra wings in the cup?
No.
You stole them.
I put them on to
Then
fly again.
Then why didn't you use them?
Because you hit me up for good.
There's your Elytra's wing.
Hey, you should put a lot of them in there.
And
So I
you
can
better
just-
hurry before I let the zombie free.
No, please no.
Zombie free!
There's a
Oh wait,
cloud.
he's burning.
There's a cloud. Ah! Where's the zombie? Oh gosh. Ah! Baby zombie fly!
Don't worry, he's off the edge too. I watched him die. Okay,
What's
fine.
the point?
To jump off the edge. That's the point. Don't worry, he's off the edge falling with you. Did you see him fall?
Yes.
Was he like your buddy? Falling?
Can I have some more elytra wings?
Put these on, Peggy. Put them on before I smack you. I have a piece of bread. I have a puffer face and I'm not afraid. Hey, where'd you go?
I jumped off.
Aren't you supposed to fly?
I tried. Just didn't smack me.
There you go.
Yay, more elytra. I survived.
You didn't. Well, actually, I didn't see a song of death.
I survived.
Let me see that. Oh, wait, why am I sprinting? Oh, I see you.
I'm gaining back all my elytra wings. I need some food. Can you give me some food?
Mm-hmm.
I lost like 5 pairs. Is this stable for me to walk across? No, 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 no.
Do you know what's happening?
I do actually. No, 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 no.
Here I come!
No, I just gained back all of my elytra.
No, I do not want you to gain back stuff. It's not nice.
Isaac, I got my elytra so I could fly again.
Do not
I was
do
gonna
that.
Climb the ladder and give
No,
you-
you get the elytra. It's in the. That is in the chest. That is the it. That is the it.
I did it already. Oh, I got past the first platform.
Heh.
Isaac!
I told you to not do it, but you disobeyed.
And I got back down.
And now you're dead again. Dude, that bullet just ricocheted off the wall.
Awesome sauce.
Ah! I was falling. Okay. Hey, you want me to take you up here with me?
How?
With a lead.
That doesn't work. You can't lead other players.
Who knows? Okay, just a second. I'm gonna try to do a magic trick. I've been wanting to try this one for a long time anyway.
Are you gonna kill me?
No. Probably that was it, but I'll find a new one. Look at this.
Maybe if I take some. Oh, I have so much elytra in my inventory. It's not even funny.
How do you teleport you?
You can't yet.
Poop.
If I just use up all of my blocks to get back up here.
What's your name again?
Rainy Space Jade.
Any capitals or anything?
Yes. There's a freaking mile in my way. I'm up here. Again.
Okay, so I was just doing it. How do you kill the other player?
Please don't, please don't.
I won't if you tell me how.
I'm here. I'm here.
Now, how do you sneak and do it?
I don't know, Isaac.
Open your eyes.
Isaac, no, Isaac, no, Isaac, 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 Isaac. Please be a good boy.
Goodbye.
I tried to save the elytra.
Oh, they all fell. I'll get them. I'm so sorry. I'll get your stuff
I'm
too.
done with you.
Okay. Fine. How about this? Simple TNT battle.
What, with me no TNT?
No, you get TNT. This is my base. You have to blow up my base. Because you can't go inside my base, though. This whole thing right here, see? The big wall is my base. Build your own base. You have 5 minutes. Build your base on this world. On this very world. Hey, pest. Okay, I quit.